Welcome back. We are now at step 3, which is the IRD request form, or the individual rate determination. And so again, you'll go down here, you'll put IRD request. And this form is also needing a supervisor to fill out. So again, supervisors, please fill out the below information, and it's meant so that the regional office can populate a salary range that is equitable for the potential candidate. So this step is super important to do before a salary is offered. And a reminder that student staff positions do not require this step as it is an hourly range for the position, and it's usually minimum wage based on the geographic location. So you'll put in the supervisor's name, the email address, area number, area name, the name of the potential hire, so the name of the staff person you're hoping to offer the job to, the hire or start date, and this can be a guesstimate if you're still up in the air, their job title, the pay type, so either hourly or salary, and the job status, so full-time, part-time. Again, there's a reminder down here that full-time is 173.33 hours a month, and this mandates benefits with the option to opt out. 130 hours a month qualifies someone for benefits, so just keep that in mind. Then you'll also select if they are going to be receiving medical benefits or NA if you are unsure. Part-time hours if applicable. COLA is the cost of living adjustment. It's a percentage. So as a region, we encourage areas to include COLA, and we ask that you work with your committees to determine the COLA amount that makes sense for your area and budget. If you aren't sure what the COLA is for your zip code or for this new hire zip code, you can reach out to the service center, or you can reach out to us, and we can find that information for you. In the past 5 years, the employee or the new hires paid full-time Young Life staff experience, paid part-time Young Life staff experience, their volunteer leader experience, and their highest level of education, any job-related or volunteer-related experience, as well as responsibility compared to others in the same job title. And then feel free to input any comments or notes that you would like us to note. Again, once the form is submitted, we will email you with the approved salary range, and then after that, you will determine what the salary is and come back to this handy-dandy form to submit an offer letter request.